Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube and would like to see current pictures of this specific unit and a full description of all options that are on this unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're going to show you a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. This is the off-road enthusiast truck. This is extremely nice with all the upgraded bells and whistles on the specific unit. It is black in color, as you can see, and the front grille is completely blacked out. Also on the front, you're going to notice the little circles there towards the bottom of the front grille. Those are for your collision. When you're parking in a tight spot, it'll let them notify you when you're getting close to the vehicle in front of you. As I said, everything on this specific unit is completely blacked out, which makes it really nice. Right here we have a factory 18-inch Ram blacked out rim wrapped in a really nice Goodyear Wrangler tire. It's got plenty of meat on that tire, but not too much meat where it's going to cause noise driving down the road. As you notice, all the badging is blacked out on the specific unit all the way around. This has the 5.7 liter V8 motor in it. There is no bed liner in the specific unit, but it can be added whether you want a spray in or a regular bed liner. Backup camera on this unit also does have backup sensors. Also, another nice touch with this specific truck, it does have the dual exhaust, with the tips of the dual exhaust being blacked out also. What a great feature. Trailer tow hook with a 4-pin and a 7-pin hookup. And like I said, this does have the 5.7 liter Hemi, which has been around for years. It's been tried, it's been tested, and it is a great motor. As far as the inside of this vehicle, there is a number of options that I'm sure I'll miss some of the options, but we'll go over all the main ones here. This is a fully leather seat with an embroidered Rebel logo on the driver and passenger seat. Also does have an 8-way power adjustable seat with a 4-way lumbar. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors, and I'll demonstrate those. That is a great feature when getting into them tight garage doors. Easy one push in and out. Power windows, power locks. Automatic front lights, power adjustable pedals. This thing has it all. In the cockpit of this unit, on the driver's side, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to notice there's 4 buttons right here. That's going to operate your instrument cluster, which is in between the RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. Right now, it is actually set on miles per hour, as you notice. You can flip through this, and there's a magnitude of different options you can leave it on, whether you want to know what radio station your current radio's on, your trailer brake control settings. It'll obviously let you know your miles per gallon, how many miles till empty, and a number of other options. Great feature. This vehicle also does have hands-free, so you can pair your phone and simply answer your phone by pushing the buttons, and you will be having your conversations through the speaker system. You no longer have to grab for your phone. Another great feature. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have all your cruise control settings right there. On the backhand side of the right, you're going to have your volume buttons for your radio. And then on the left, you're also going to have your controls so you can change your radio station. Like I said, this is a 4-wheel drive unit. Everything is push button, whether it's high and low. It does have a hill descent option with your axle lock button also down there. It also does have automatic start stop feature on this specific unit. By pushing this button, you can turn it off, but it is always on every time you start your car. So when you do come to a stoplight and have your foot on your brake, your engine will shut down. But everything in your vehicle, whether it's your radio, your chargers, your heating and air system, everything will operate as normal. As soon as you take your foot off the brake, it will engage the motor again and you'll be off driving. As you notice, this is a very large 12-inch touchscreen radio, new out in the 2500 for the 2019 year model year. And this is a 2020, so it's his 2nd year running in this specific radio. This is a 12-inch screen, like I said, has numerous options. It comes with AM, FM, also XM radio. You also do get a free subscription for that for a year, I believe, when buying a new vehicle. Inside of the specific unit, you have a multitude of different options. You can have your controls. So this vehicle does have heated seats, also a heated steering wheel, high, medium, low on your heat for your seat for the front and passenger, which is a great feature. There's also the feature where has dual climate control, so you can set the driver's side on one different temperature than the passenger side, and then it'll blow out in 2 zones at different temperatures. This also does have the auto feature with the climate control, where you can set the temperatures as you wish, hit the auto button, and it'll increase and decrease the pressure coming out of the wind flow coming out of the vents to make sure that temperature is being stayed exactly where it needs to be in that section of the vehicle. Great feature. There's a number of apps included in this. We don't have time to go through them all, but one of the coolest one is the travel links, in my opinion. You can click it, go to find out where your nearest gas station is, what the price of fuel is in that area. At that particular gas station, it'll tell you current sports, what's going on with scores, upcoming games, your current weather, your weather map, which is an awesome feature. And then, of course, your XM Sirius Travel Plus traffic list, in case when you are traveling, it'll notify you of any current accidents, for example. This vehicle does have factory navigation, which is another great feature. Another cool feature on this specific radio is you can split the screen, so you can have your radio up top, for example, and down here below you can have your navigation. There is a bunch more in this radio. It is just an awesome radio. Factory trailer tow brake. Everything's pretty much in the center compartment. Is a very big compartment, huge spot down below with a charger down there, more compartments right in front of us, storage compartment in the rear where you would put your armrest, another small compartment on top of that. So a bunch of options. The vehicle does have a power sunroof. This is a full sunroof that goes from the front of the vehicle all the way to the back, as you can see there. Really cool feature. Power rear window with defrost on that back window. Just a fully loaded 19 Harman Kardon speaker system. So this vehicle has 19 speakers in it. Talk about jamming out. This thing can really do it. Rear leather seat to match the front with center cup holders with an armrest. Also, this vehicle is equipped with factory hooks for your car seats on both sides of this rear bench. Another great feature. This vehicle also does have factory rubber mats with plenty of room in the rear for inside storage in case you need to keep something out of the elements. And again, guys, this is a 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi, fully loaded Rebel. Very nice unit. So this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment down below. And like always, for the guaranteed best price, make sure you shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, or on our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.